Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. It is time for day 5 of my 12 days of Christmas before Christmas crafting DIY. Say that 10 times. Alright, so today guys, I am showing you guys, if you have been following me on Instagram or on Etsy, you would have seen that I made these cute Christmas earrings, these reindeer earrings, as well as, let's not mess these up, these joy earrings. Joy is my word for the holiday. Hoping that this Christmas season brings joy to not only myself and my family, but to my viewers and my friends and the Z Squad alike. So I'm going to show you guys how to make a pair of these earrings that are now available in my Etsy shop at Zariah's Creations Co. And then I was also working on this planner charm. I didn't finish it yet, but here is a charm, and it could go on your planner or your purse. You know, I choose planner because that's what I do. I also have a joy tag on here as well. And I just love it. And I'm going to put this little ornament on the inside. Alright, so let's get to making our earrings. So the first thing you're going to need are bottle caps. Y'all, I'm so in love with bottle caps now. I don't even know how it popped up on my feed, but it did. And now I love bottle caps. So I got these bottle caps from Amazon, and it came in a packet like this. And you can use regular beer bottle caps as well. But these are the flattened ones. So I got these from Amazon. You're going to need some findings. I love this little case here. And unfortunately, I'm sorry, I do not remember where I got it. It could be from Hobby Lobby, it could be from Michael's, but I have a lot of my findings in here. So we are going to use some rings from here. Of course, I have my jewelry making tools, which is, this is a hole punch to punch the hole. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, but it will cut down our stick pin if we need it. And then I'm using this one to hold my products. We need some designs. Now I've already cut some of these out already. So today we're going to do the Christmas trees, and you need some earring hooks. Got these from Hobby Lobby. I just pulled these off of Canva. And then you need some epoxy to go inside. So I'm going to use some tacky glue, although you'll see me using it in a smaller container. Is this, but tacky glue you can get from Joann's, Michael's, any craft store, Hobby Lobby. Tacky glue, but I'm going to use it in here, and I'm actually going to proceed to put it upside down. And I saw this iridescent glitter glue. I hear so many crafters talking about glitter glue, and I don't know if this is the same thing, but I saw it in the dollar store. So I am going to try some glitter glue around the edge to encase my my thingamajig. Oh, and a one-hole punch. I got this one-hole punch from Hobby Lobby. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut out my design. And I guess I should have said a pair of scissors to make it easier on myself. Let me keep these visible. And I like to use, as most crafters, I like to use my design, my punch upside down, so you can actually see where you are punching. Oh, and the good thing to help you is there's an arrow here, and then there's a like middle landmark right there. Those two, I don't want to take it off. Those two lines. So I'm just going to try to line it up between the arrow and the two lines, leaving equal amount of space. Now the crazy thing is that there is a circle, but because it's white, I don't like how I did that one, because I did it too close. Let's see if I can do this one better. All right, I did that one better. It'll go in there. I do have another, let's see if I can do better with this other tray. I'm gonna do it this way so I don't have to do any more cutting. All right, so I have my, and these are so easy to make. If you don't have a 1-inch punch, and you do have the 1-inch epoxy bubbles, a trick that you can do is you can just take one of the bubbles off, and try not to touch the underside too much, but you could take one of the bubbles off and you can actually put it over your actual design. Now, which one am I going to do? I don't think I did this one. And this is, I didn't plan to do this. I'm gonna use the tweezers. You can actually put it over your actual design and then cut around it. But since I did that one, I might as well do the other one, right? All right, I'll get back to that. All right, let's get back to this. So we cut out our designs. Now I'm gonna punch my holes. I'm still getting the hang of the holes. Some people cut on this little edge. Some people cut in the groove. I don't know. I like turning it upside down and cutting on the inside. And just punch, and then I try to twist to the left or the right to make sure that it goes all the way through. Sometimes it does, sometimes it does not. And I do it that way because I noticed when I did it the other way, it kind of destroyed the shape of the lip, and I didn't like that. So I'm going to, again, just put it, hopefully you can see that, inside the groove. Can you hear that? And then I just twist to the left, to the right, then I open. And then there's, like you can see, there's still a little bit there. And I just take that off. And I don't mind doing it this way because it's not bending this edge. Doing it the other way, I found it bends that edge. And so I didn't like that. All right, here it comes. It's so little. I'm like, come out already. Come on out. And I'm putting it around the center and not on the edge, because when I flatten it, I'm gonna move it around so that it'll go all over. Let's not get confused. And if your graphic is directional, definitely want to make sure that you have it in the right place. You want to press down, but make sure you're pressing, when you're finished pressing, make sure it is facing the direction that you really need it to go. So let's do this one. I always have my nails done because we're always doing Christmas services, watch night, New Year's Eve services. So I always have them on, but let's get 2 jump rings. Since we ain't going nowhere because we can't go outside. Alright, so with the jump ring, I'm taking 2 tools. I'm going to hold with one, and pull apart with the other. And they say the best way to do that is to pull one way towards you and one way towards away from you, like so, or such. So hopefully you guys can see that. I forgot to take out my sugar flake. This is why they give you so many. My vacuum cleaner is going to love me. So not only am I a messy crafter, I am a clumsy crafter. Alright, so that's open. Now let's get my earring hooks. And y'all, these are so easy and addictive, because then I spent all day watching tons of videos. Let me put my epoxy on. And it fits right, and it fits perfectly in the circle. And I just press down. With these, I want to try the glitter glue just around the edges, not a lot. I haven't done it on the other earrings, but I just wonder if the glitter will give it that little extra sparkly Christmas touch, as well as hold the seal. But I'll do that last after I put on the hook. All right, so with it being open, here's the hole. I'm just going to slip it in, just like that, and slip my earring hook on, and just close it back up by twisting it back. And there's earring number 1. And I do have the little rubber backings. I do have that, so when they go into the Etsy shop, I'll definitely put them. on there for people. I just like to close up the back. I'll just squeeze it together, but some people may like that extra added cushion. So I will put that on for you guys and just close it up as much as you can. And there's your earring. Alright, so now let's try this glitter glue. I don't know if it's open already. I took the cap off. Maybe not. It's probably sealed for child safety. Adult human safety. Oh yeah. I got this from the Dollar Tree. Did I say that? Dollar Tree. Alright, and so there's the nozzle. And I just want to try a little bit around the edge. I don't like, okay, maybe I can hold that there. Just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. Hopefully. Like I said, I am a messy crafter. But it said it had glitter. Let me connect that back because that'll be all over the place. And then I'll just hook my earrings onto my earring card. Here I go, drop. I said I was clumsy. Y'all heard that? All right. And voila. There you go, some Christmas earrings to go. So guys, you can find these on my Etsy shop at Zariah's Creations Co. over on Etsy. I would love for you to come by, like and favor my page, and check out any and everything else I have over there. I have some cash envelopes. I'm a serial crafter, paper crafter, so I have quite a few things. Traveler's notebooks, cash envelopes. I have the earrings. This will be on here, the planner. The planner charms will be on there very shortly. So yeah, guys, check it out. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button down below to be the first to know when there's a new video posted to this channel. And until next time, ciao for now.